Today I want to introduce you to my personal favorite stitch. It's called the half double crochet. Some people call it the in-between stitch, and that's a logical name for it because it is in between the single crochet and the double crochet. And it is a half double crochet because it's not a full double crochet, but it's just half of the double crochet. Logical, right? Okay, I've got 15 chain stitches right here, and I picked a hook I 5.5, and you can also use a hook H. These two hooks, the H and the I, are very easy hooks to use when you practice your stitches. If you use that in the combination with a smooth worsted yarn, then that's the easiest way to learn your stitches. For your half double crochet, you always start 2 chain stitches away from your hook, and you stick your hook in the third from the hook to start your first half double crochet. This one is probably going a little too fast, so here we go. You yarn over, you stick your hook in the chain stitch next to the one you just did, pull through. That gives you 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 of the loops. We'll do it again. Yarn over, stick it in this chain stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 of the loops on your hook. Yarn over, stick it in this chain stitch, pull through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through. Now slowly try to see if you can go in this half double crochet to the end of this little swatch. As you keep practicing, try to see if you can keep the tension of your thread and your stitches about the same. Now in the beginning that will be a little bit difficult. Sometimes you pull a little too tight, sometimes you let the thread go a little looser, but after a while when you practice, your tension will be equal, and that will make your project nice and smooth looking. Smooth evenly. We got to the end of the row right here. This is your first row right here, and see, here's all your half double crochets. Now you turn, chain 1 and turn like this, and you make your very first half double crochet of row 2 right here in the stitch right where you have your chain 1 right here. There you go. I really like this stitch and I use it a lot for sweaters and tops. because it's a very versatile stitch. It's kind of yeah, it flows nicely. It's not as stiff as your single crochet, and it's not as loose and open as your double crochets. So the half double crochet is my favorite for making a lot of tops and sweaters and cardigans, just because of the drape of it. And as I'm talking, I'm slowly working my way in the second row with my half double crochets. And maybe this is going too fast for you. So when I get to the end, I will do my third row very slow again, so you can see exactly what we're doing. The end of row 2 is right here. The half double crochet. Okay, the end of row 2, just like we did in from row 1 to row 2, we chain 1 and we turn, yarn over, and right here you make your very first half double crochet. So we yarn over, we stick it in this space right here, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Next stitch, yarn over, stick your hook in, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, and pull through all 3 of the loops. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Are you following me? Are you getting the hang of it? I'm sure you are. It's not complicated. It's a nice stitch. It's simple, and like I said, it's very versatile. In the projects that you'll be making in the future, you'll see this stitch coming back in many patterns. And after you've practiced it, it will be very easy for you to make them. So here's the end of row 3. Always make sure you stick your hook right here so you have a nice and straight edge. That's what we want. The end of row 3. I'm gonna go a little bit further up. I'll meet you after a couple of rows, and then we'll close this little tutorial. So this is the half double crochet. I did 10 rows just to give you an idea what it should look like. You see, it's nice and even, straight edges right here. And I don't know if you've been practicing the single crochet yet, but if you have, then you can see that this is just a little bit taller than its shorter sister, the single crochet. And by the way, did you know what crochet means? Well, it sounds French, and that's right, because it comes from the French term crochet. And it means small hook. And that's what it is. I hope you enjoyed this little short tutorial about the half double crochet. And if you did, please like me and subscribe to my channel, will you? Thank you.